Hi, welcome to the Balboa. I'm Bill Saint with Classica Homes, and I can't wait to share all the exciting features of this home with you. The Balboa is a remarkable plan. It can be built with 4 bedrooms or 5. It can have formal dining or informal. There's so many different ways to build this home to suit your family's needs. The Balboa starts out with a wonderful proper foyer, which then leads into the next foyer, opening this house up into the study, which could be formal dining, and all the way into the heart of the home. As you walk into the first foyer, the design intent of the Balboa was to create a separate private guest suite, complete with its own in-suite bath and a powder room, all within the front of the home, private and separate and on the main floor. Walking past the guest suite, you next encounter the study, which also could be formal dining. Put doors on the study for privacy, or have it open up and be that special entertaining place. The back hallway leads out to the garage, going past the open do zone where laundry and cabinetry could be put in place, or furniture for work area, hobby area, whatever you might need. Alternatively, it could be a large expanded owner's closet, doubling the size of your closet space and providing the opportunity for a laundry room within that closet, making life simple. As we walk into the main heart of the home with the kitchen, great room, and dining area all open, again, flexibility is ready for you and how you live. The Balboa kitchen creates an inspiration every day, oversized and so functional. Many options again can be selected in our design studio to create the kitchen of your dreams. Things like cabinets to the ceiling that would be lit, under cabinet lighting, plug mold where you don't see one outlet in the backsplash, built-in ranges, built-in refrigerators, a refrigerator wall of cabinetry all throughout the home that looks like furniture pushed into place, slow closed doors, slow closed drawers, the ability to really create something special and remarkable, yet unbelievably functional. Whether it's the kitchen with the expanded island and seating for 6, the wide open great room and outdoor living that just all come together, or as we wander around and go to the other side of the kitchen, this is the informal dining. This one is built with the optional scullery, which just makes entertaining and living every day so easy. It can be outfitted any way you like, whether it's a wine refrigerator, dishwasher, wet bar sink, all the things for easy prep and go. The owner suite is truly a retreat all of its own. With the optional box bay, it creates a great sitting area. Again, trim details allow you to personalize this room exactly how you'd like it. The owner's bath also has options such as the luxury spa shower shown here. Upstairs is completely flexible. It starts out with an oversized bonus room, or the option to make that into 2 rooms. It could be a 5th bedroom, a separate media room, maybe that extra office. The 2 bedrooms upstairs are also flexible. A shared bath, or both bedrooms having their own in-suite baths. Additionally, a 2nd laundry room can be put in upstairs for a full-size stacked washer and dryer. The unfinished storage area upstairs is the icing on the cake. Pure walk-in, no steps required, and huge oversized for everything you need to tuck away. The Balboa is all about outdoor living. The optional stack slider doors shown here totally open up the great room and outdoor living into a seamless connection. The optional expanded 4-foot depth on this outdoor living room make it that much more comfortable. Additionally, options like a fireplace, automatic screens, heaters, allow you to use this room 12 months out of the year. And isn't that why we live in the Carolinas? Thank you for touring the Balboa with me today. Check out all the details, structural options with our interactive floor plan at classicahomes.com.